The second part of this topic is called rotation. So I'm going to explain this by answering the question on page 150. It's the film clipboard. So just start off by drawing the clipboard using the measurements there in the middle of page 150 and establish point A, and this is the rotation point. So we're going to be rotating that top part of it through an angle of 40 degrees and about the point A. So the next thing to do then is put the point of the compass in A, and we're just going to use this base line here to find our new position. So it tells us that we'll have to rotate it anti-clockwise. So that's going back. So point of the compass in A and pencil out to here and just swing an arc up there, any distance at all, it doesn't matter. And then we're going to put a line that's 40 degrees to this line, cutting that arc, so it's going to be up here, something like that. And that will be the base line then for the top of the clipboard, and then we can just draw the rest of it on. So the only line we need to rotate is that middle line. So just drawing that on now. That's an angle of 40 degrees on this one. Just drawn up here, and it stops where that arc comes up to cut it. So all I'm going to do now is perpendicular to that line is draw that shape. Now there's a couple of handy little shortcuts that we can use to find these points here. I'm just going to rotate them around. Might be a little bit quicker than measuring them, or you can just measure them again. There's no problem doing that. So if you just perpendicular going up like that, and it's the same height as that was, and then just draw in, and it's only this top part that you're drawing in. So just a look at what I did there with the point of the compass constantly in A. Any point that you want to find on the new position, just open your pencil out to that same point on the old position. So these points here along the divide, with the point of the compass here, pencil out to there, swing it up to there, swing it up to there. Same with these two, they have just gone up to the baseline there in an anti-clockwise direction, and then with the point of the compass over in A, pencil there, swing it up to there, and then swing it up to there. And then I've just drawn in that top part of the board, which is up 15, tells you that in the question. And then with the point still in A, if you want to find that one, it's obvious anyway, it's the start, but you could just try it. So pencil out to there, swing it back, it'll clip there. Then the pencil out to that one, swing it back anti-clockwise, it clips there. And then these two, just swing them up there and there. And with the point still in A all the time, open out to these two and swing it up, and it gets you those two. And then you just join that to that, and that to that, and that to there, and that to there, and then same with the last two, and that's it. So that's the completed answer with the clipboard rotated anti-clockwise about A through 40 degrees. You might just add in that arrow there to show which way it's going.